What up, guys? Danny from Life.atv here, and I'm here with Code.
Hello, boys.
And today we're kind of bringing you kind of a different video. We are in fact selling our vintage two-stroke.
Quadracer's getting sold.
This is a 1989 Suzuki LTR Quadracer 250, and as you can see, it's definitely unique.
She's not stock.
She's not stock, but you know, we don't really know much about that. But
Main reason why we're selling it, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. We just don't ride it a whole lot.
Yeah.
So figure give it to someone who actually will enjoy it, you know?
Yeah, and as you can see, it's got nice FMF pipe on it. Nice chrome wheels. Wheels got plenty of tread on them. Plenty of tread. See, we'll give you a little walk around. And as you can see by the plastics, it's definitely unique.
And we can give, there's front plastic too, I believe, that came with it.
Yeah, so if you don't like the shaved front, we actually do have a set. They're probably a little faded compared to this plastic, or this plastic is a little faded compared to
definitely a different color of orange for sure.
But you know, if you're into that, you can definitely have that. Nerf bars. It's a good overall machine, and you can look back on our video when we bought it. It runs perfect.
Yeah, like I said, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
And like I said, we don't ride it.
We just don't ride it.
We think it's a lot of fun. It's just, she's not the ideal trail machine, is she?
Yeah, I mean, when you look at it, if we're going to ride or something, I'd probably honestly just hop on my YFC than this.
Right, exactly. And I got my Raptor and my Honda, and old man's got his 400EX.
So might as well just give it to someone who actually will enjoy it, I guess.
Said 1989. What's the price, bud? What are we starting at?
I'd like to start at $2,500. Price is obviously negotiable, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
You know, and check the email right here if you're actually interested, and we can get you hooked up with Code. Like I said, runs perfect, mint, not stock. We don't know for sure what bore it is, but it's fast.
It's fast. It
keeps up with the Raptor if you saw the video, and I'll do the link in the description for the video of the Raptor and this. Yeah, when we first got it, the Raptor versus this. Like I said, you can see the FMF, nice compression, nice shocks, headlight works. So
give her a little bath.
We'll give her a little bath now. Here's a finished product, guys. We're just wiping her down now. Looks awesome.
She could be yours, boys.
She could be yours.
If the price is right.
We got lots of others of the fleet, but Code, tell them the fleet's getting smaller.
It's getting smaller.
And this one's only by choice. Tell them about the other one.
Yeah, the good old red Kawasaki, the one that had almost 7,600 miles on it.
The one we buried.
She's finally done, boys.
Let us show you guys. So we're talking about the Kawasaki Prairie 650 right here. And the problem with this is, Cody was riding it one day because he can't ride this because he had surgery on his foot, so he's been kind of strolling on this while he was driving. All of a sudden he heard a weird noise, so obviously he hopped off, shut off the quad. They think they spun a rod, they blew it up. And they started messing with the clutch over here, and she locks up. So that means something's not right with the engine. It might need a new engine. It might just need a new bottom end. We're not sure, you know, which one's the cheapest route. Leave us in the comments. But yeah, the Kawasaki Prairie 650 is down. Sad, ain't it, dude?
Damn good machine. Not a big Kawasaki guy, but my God. Kind of hard to talk shit about him when you have a quad that just went 7,600 miles with it for.
Yeah, so 7,600 miles, and they put the majority on them themselves. They had this quad a long time. So Kawasaki's down on the fleet, getting rid of the Quadracer, but every other machine's good to go. Hopefully.
Yeah, the plastic's on that freaking desk over there. That orange plastic I was talking about earlier in the bed.
If you check it out. Oh, there it is. I see it. So like I said, these plastics will come with. They're kind of a different shade of orange because I don't think they've ever been actually on the quad, but they're yours to take, you know. If you want to buy a matching set or you just want to throw them on, up to you. They're right here. Gator. So tell them what's happening.
Well, my sister's graduating here in a couple weeks, so we're fancying up the shed a little bit here. We got to get this old Mustang out of the way.
Old Sal that's been in the shed.
So we're gonna pull it over to my grandpa's house. Oh, bump! Oh, shit.
Oh,
I almost fell down on you, pal.
Okay, Cod. Danny. Ready?
Yep.
Good enough.
Good enough for the good old Sal.
Good enough. What?
Good enough for Sal.
I thought it said Sal.
Here we go. God, everyone's rocking blue today.